Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make 7-layer dip. We're starting with the foundation, a 28-ounce can of refried beans spread smoothly across the bottom of your serving dish. This provides a hearty base. Then, we'll add a creamy, seasoned sour cream layer using 16 ounces of sour cream mixed with 1 ounce of taco seasoning. This creates a delightful tang and prepares for the next delicious additions. Moving on, it's time for the cheesy goodness. We'll generously sprinkle about 8 ounces of shredded cheddar cheese or a Mexican blend over the sour cream. This adds a wonderful texture and savory flavor. Immediately after, spoon over a 16-ounce jar of your favorite chunky salsa. The salsa brings a fresh, zesty kick, perfectly complementing the rich cheese and creamy layers below. Make sure it's spread evenly. Now for the star of the show, a creamy, homemade guacamole. Use 3 ripe avocados, mashed and seasoned, spread gently over the salsa. This layer adds a luxurious, buttery texture. Next, we'll add a refreshing crunch with about 2 cups of finely shredded iceberg lettuce. Finally, for the finishing touches, sprinkle 1 4-ounce can of sliced black olives and 1 cup of diced Roma tomatoes. These add vibrant color and a burst of fresh flavor. Once all 7 layers are beautifully assembled, cover your dip and refrigerate it for at least 60 minutes. This crucial step allows all those incredible flavors to meld together, creating a harmonious taste experience. When you're ready to serve, grab some sturdy tortilla chips or fresh vegetable sticks. This dip is always a huge hit at parties, offering a delightful combination of textures and tastes in every scoop. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.